we have the Medusa's Makeup May 2026 box. It comes with a very nice little card. Other side tells you what we've gotten and the prices. So let's see what it is. I am curious, Kelly, what to know. It came in this nice little plastic bag that is reusable. It has a zippered top. Yeah, I'm excited to get an extra little plastic makeup bag. I can always put these to use, not just for makeup, for lots of other things. This is a tropical eyeshadow in the shade Jamaica. Not quite my usual shade, so we're not going to swatch this one. We're going to set it aside for gift or future giveaway or something like that. That first eyeshadow had a retail of $12. This one has a retail of $14. I let Anne do the swatching since it was just one. This is in the shade Envy. A little green with envy, maybe? This one feels nice. I look forward to playing around with this one, maybe as a eyeshadow topper. This is a frosted blush with a retail of $14 in the shade Beach Bum. And I'm hoping the camera will pick it up. There are little tiny sparkles in there. And I'll scoot back so we can show you the picture of the swatch, and it blends out. This is going to be a fun one for summertime. Oh, yes, it is. This is a $14 Sparkle Extreme Lip Gloss in the shade Funky Town. I'm liking the looks of this one. It's not exactly pink, it's not exactly purple, it's somewhere in the middle. This is going to be a fun one to play around with. Fun for summertime. Yes. This is a $14 satin lipstick, and Anne is really excited about this one. Yes, I am. This is in the shade Baroque. And the reason I'm really excited about it is because I have this shade. To be exact, it's what I'm wearing today. And let me show you the one I've got. She's about down to the nibby nubbies, and she's had a hard life. She got overheated once and had to spend a day in the refrigerator trying to solidify herself again. Yeah. So this one is about done. So I am tickled. I was going to say I'm tickled pink. Maybe I should say I'm tickled purple. This is what it looks like in its full new glory. And again, I'm wearing this today. So it's purple, but it's not, in my opinion, an overpowering purple. I think it's a fun color. What did you see in here that you liked? Besides the purple lipstick, what was your favorite? I would go with the purple gloss and that green, gold green eyeshadow. How about you? Do you have a favorite? Let us know, let us know. Do you get this? Let us know, let us know. I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. In case you're not familiar with this box, it is $25.95 a month. The shipping is free. You get 4 to 6 beauty items. And I think it's a great, well thought out box. Everything here went together nicely. And in all honesty, I wonder if that blush could be used as an eyeshadow? That's a valid question. Could that green eyeshadow be a highlighter? Yes, no, maybe. That might be a little over the top. I'm tickled with this box. The value for this month was $68. I definitely feel like I got my $26 input. I feel like I got my return very nicely, especially with that purple lipstick. So glad to see another one of those. I almost bought it when we did our shopping haul with our first box, but I thought, nah, let's wait. We could either do another shopping haul or maybe I'll get it in a box. And she got it in a box. She's a happy camper. Yes, I am. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Notification bell. Hope to see you in another video. We got fun stuff over here.